In this video, I'll guide you through how to create and manage calendar subscriptions in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll know how to add different kinds of calendars to your account and how to manage or cancel subscriptions you no longer need. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account where you want to manage your calendars. If you use multiple accounts, it's a good idea to quickly check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner just to confirm you're working in the correct one. Once Google Calendar loads, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a section called Other Calendars. This is where Google groups calendars that don't belong to your main personal calendar. It's typically used for shared calendars, public calendars, and subscriptions like holidays, sports schedules, or work rota feeds. If you don't see it right away, hover your mouse over that area or scroll a little and it should appear. Next to Other Calendars, you'll find a small plus icon. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This opens a menu of options that let you bring new calendars into your account in different ways. This is the main hub for creating and subscribing to calendars beyond your primary one. From this menu, you have several choices. You can subscribe to a calendar, which usually means adding someone else's calendar or a public calendar that will update automatically over time. You can create a new calendar, which is useful if you want a separate calendar for things like work projects, family planning, or content scheduling. There's also an option to browse calendars of interest. This includes things like regional holidays, sports teams, and other public calendars that Google provides. Another option is to add a calendar from a URL. This is helpful when someone gives you a calendar link, such as an iCal or WebCal link from another service, and you want Google Calendar to pull in those events. Finally, there's an import option. Importing lets you upload a file, usually a .ics file, to add a set of events one time. Unlike a subscription, imported events won't keep updating automatically. Now, let's look at how to manage subscriptions. At the top right of the Google Calendar page, you'll see an option labeled Upgrade. Click on that. Depending on your region and account type, this may open a page or dialog that shows your current subscription or paid plan options related to calendar features. After clicking Upgrade, you'll typically be prompted to continue. Click Continue to move forward. This step takes you to the area where your active subscriptions or billing details are managed. If you've previously subscribed to a paid calendar service or any related add-on, this is where it will appear. If you already have a subscription, you'll see an option to cancel it. Choose the cancel option to stop future charges and end that subscription. Follow any confirmation prompts that appear. Sometimes you might need to confirm one more time before it's fully cancelled. Once that's done, your subscription is no longer active, though you may keep access until the end of the current billing period, depending on the terms. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to open Google Calendar, find the Other Calendars section, add new calendars in different ways, and manage or cancel existing subscriptions from the Upgrade area.